Hi, Marty James here. A lot of times you're going to receive a document in the mail or something that your tax preparer needs. What's the easiest way to get that to them if you don't have a scanner at home? On your iPhone, there's an app called Notes, and I'm going to show you how to actually use the Notes feature for scanning in this app. And I'm also going to give you some warnings related to actually emailing documents to your tax preparer. So now I'm going to my iPhone. I go to my Notes app. I click New Note down to the bottom. And I hit my camera button. And I want to hit the Scan Documents. Now I find my document. And I'm simply going to take a picture of it. Now I can adjust my scan, but I'm going to keep this one. Then it saves the picture to my photos. Now I go up and hit the three little buttons at the top. And where it says send a copy, I hit that button. And then I select my email and email it to my favorite CPA. And away it went. And here's what your accountant sees. They get their email, they open up this PDF document, and here it is. Everybody's happy. So when you're emailing documents to your CPA or your tax preparer, one of the things that you really have to worry about is, email's not all that secure. So if there's sensitive data on there, you'll want to take the old Sharpie and actually maybe mark out some of the data, some of the information that you would not want to get out there. The other thing that you should probably do, or your CPA, should probably do, is they should have a secure portal system where you can actually upload these things, directly in there without going through the email system. So that's a word of caution that email is not secure. There are secure portals that many firms are actually using, and I would recommend that you actually send any documents that you haven't redacted information on, through the portal system. But like I said, if you do use the email system, you're going to want to either take the Sharpie, mark out the Social Security number information, maybe some other sensitive data, or you could actually put a tape over, Scotch tape, and then put the Sharpie over the Scotch tape if you did not want to lose that the information that was actually on that document.